Hi everyone, I'm Ilesh Mistry, Kentico MVP. Welcome to my Kentico Mistry Magics, which are short videos on Kentico hints and tips, which I hope you find useful. This Mystery Magic is about contacting Kentico support. I will talk through the various options available for you to do this, and in particular what you need to send to them to help you resolve the issues. Whenever there is something in Kentico you can't resolve, and you need some help, then you have various options available to you. The first option could be that you could check out the awesome Kentico documentation. It is jam-packed with excellent information. Another option is actually Googling the specific question that you might require some information on. Another option is to contact Kentico support. I will talk about this later in more detail. The other option you have is to actually post your question on Kentico DevNet. This is to get a response back from the Kentico community. Another way to get a response back from the Kentico community is to use Stack Overflow to post your questions. And of course, if you have a tricky Kentico question, then why not ask this question to one of your favorite Kentico MVPs? There are lots of other options available, but I will talk about how to contact Kentico support in more detail. I am going to talk about the various options available when contacting Kentico support. The first way to contact Kentico support is via the phone. You can get their number from the Kentico website under the support section. Another option is to actually email Kentico support using the email address support@kentico.com, detailing everything you can to help them resolve the issue. Sometimes recording what's happening on your screen can help the issue be resolved faster. So what Kentico provide is a record a screencast of your issue option on their website. Another option is to submit the question directly on the Kentico website. You can go to the Submit Support Issue page and then fill in the fields on the form. My personal preference is to email Kentico support if I have a query that needs resolving. Here are a list of a few things that you should be sending to Kentico support to help you resolve the issue. The first thing to provide Kentico support is what version you're running in terms of Kentico CMS or EMS, and what hotfix number you currently have applied on the website. Another thing to provide, if this is possible, is the website URL and access details for Kentico to have a look within the CMS. You would also need to let Kentico support know what development model you're using, so that could be Portal Engine, ASPX, MVC or other. You would also need to let Kentico support know what environment this issue is occurring on and whether the other environments are actually working fine or not. An important part in emailing Kentico support is to make sure you describe the issue in as much detail as possible. You will need to describe how to reproduce the issue, show any errors that you can find and how to reproduce them, list the areas you have looked into to try and resolve the issue. So there you have it. Those are my tips on how to contact Kentico support when you have a Kentico query and what to include in your email to them. This would give Kentico support all the information they would need to provide you with the best response to resolve your issue. Thank you for watching this Mystery Magic. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future Mystery Magics, then add a comment either below or on Twitter using the hashtag Mystery Magic. Goodbye.